shh. Put your finger on your lip like this. Shh, that's a shh. Quiet voices, watch and listen. When we play and when we run, we get loud because it's fun. But Zat the cat says, wait a sec. Let's use voices we respect. Hands on ears, what do we hear? Too much noise is not so clear. Let's go soft, let's go slow. Ready, steady, here we go. No more screaming la la la. Come boys, tra la la. Zat says try it just like me. Quiet kids are cool to be. In the classroom, in the hall, at the table, big or small. We don't roar like dinosaurs, we knock on gentle doors. Take a breath in and out, that's how we get calm, no shout. Hands go down, shoulders low, ready, steady, nice and slow. No more screaming la la la. Come boys, tra la la. Zat says try it just like me. Quiet kids are cool to be. Can you whisper shh, shh? Can you talk hello? Can you scream no, no, no? Show me calm, let's go, let's go. Shh, 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 shh. No more screaming la la la. Come boys, tra la la.